so far, not too bad. I'm just along Highway 90 right now, though. But
that's crazy. Oh no, we coming up. First little piece of damage, bro.
a sign knocked down. Crazy. I'm surprised that sign didn't go down. But how wide that one is, how big that one is, it was taking on a lot of wind, I know that, but it held its own. No flood. I think Lake Charles got hit bad again. Yeah, we got a little room. So look at that. Alright. Thank you, my man. Appreciate it. So that's... You got some sugar cane. It's not even like flat. It's down.
That's crazy. Of course, I already know we're never have no lights. That's a given. So we gotta treat it like a four-way.
Boom. Be the last one to go. Because they all got there first. Alright. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. That road's closed. Oh, crap.
Probably thought it was gonna flood. The sign fall alarm. Walmart is completely empty. That's crazy.
Completely empty, bro. So boom, then they got there. Then I say I got there. Okay, boom. So now you go, my dude.
Outstanding.
You gotta treat it like a four-way. So you go, fool. You got that first. Go. Oh man, see what I'm saying? He not in no turning lane, so I can bust my turn. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Hell no. On Field Street. Yeah, we're on Field Street. What's that? I see something. Oh, dang. We're going deeper. We're going deeper, people. We're going deeper. Look like they got a tree down over there. Moors. Oh man, they got some wonderful food over there, bro. We got a tree down over there. We right on the side of Lake Charles in the category 4. You got people sitting on their porch and shit. Oh, Lord. Tree fell on the car. God damn. I'm pretty sure the fucking hurricane didn't do that. I'm pretty sure. Well, I don't know if it knocked it down, but oh shit. Damn, maybe it did because that wind was pushing this way.
But I mean, the trailer looked to be like it was already no good, so the hurricane probably just finished it off. I don't know. That's crazy. That's crazy. Gotta bust this low. Oh, that's why I didn't go that way, because, shit was closed off.
Oh. Watch out, my G. Hey, we got to turn off. Look like they got a tree down over there. Yeah, we got to turn off. See what Anderson looking like, man. For real. Let's see. Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn. We got to put that turn. That tree down over there. See, you got people picking up and shit like that. Little branch. Oh Lord, what's that? That's the roof. They didn't secure that thing down right. Cause that's a metal roof. And what happens with that is you gotta frame it up. It's almost like a beam, but it's not a beam. My pop, shout out to my pops. My pops taught me that. But you gotta make sure a raft. That's what it's called. So you gotta catch the raft whenever you drill into your wood. You gotta catch the raft. If you miss the raft and you just grab the pre-roof, the roof that was already there, if you just grab that, that's what's gonna occur. So whoever did that job, they did a sloppy job. Oh, there it is. Oh, let's see. Oh shit. Tree down all the way over there. So now let me see. Y'all think I'm waiting? Skirt. Another fence. Demolished. Now all I gotta do is pick that up. If I'm not mistaken. I'm mistaken. Oh shit. I think I was supposed to bust a left. This is a fucking cul-de-sac. Like off of Ed Netty. I need some nice houses, bro. Okay, this is where I come out to Sonic. This shit look the same. Kaboom is a cul-de-sac. Plus I could bust that left. Boom. I know where I'm at now. Buy Don 20. What? I didn't put BYEDON. It wasn't even bad, cuz. It wasn't even bad, cuz. Alright, now I'm really going home. Now I'm really going home, cuz. Not taking no more detours. But yep, all in all, New Iberia came out alright, you know. I'd say about an 8 out of 10 looking at all the damage, but that's just my opinion. Hurricane Delta, oh my god, these roads are horrible. Hurricane Delta outcome. Not too bad, man. Not too bad. Somebody need to do a Lake Charles video. Man, I know they ain't got woo-wop. Oh, man. Man, 2 hurricanes? The same place? Good thing the things didn't come at the same time. Oh, now y'all would have been in trouble. Look, now y'all would have been in trouble. This dude just sitting there, bro, treated like a forward, my guy. Ha. Bro, these people didn't even get touched. That's crazy. It's a good thing. That is crazy. A hurricane just passed, dog. These people didn't even get